A mitre joint, sometimes shortened to mitre, is a joint made by beveling each of two parts to be joined, usually at a 45-degree angle, to form a corner, usually a 90-degree angle. For woodworking, a disadvantage of a mitre joint is its weakness, but it can be strengthened with a spline. Common applications include picture frames, pipes, and molding. Non-perpendicular joints, for mitre joints occurring at angles other than 90 degree. For materials of the same cross-section, the proper cut angle must be determined so that the two pieces to be joined meet flush. To find the cut angle, divide the angle at which the two pieces meet by 2. Technically, two different cut angles are required. One for each piece, where the second angle is 90 degree plus the aforementioned cut angle, but due to angular limitations in common cutting implements, a single angle is required and is used to cut the first piece in one direction and the second piece in the opposite direction. 3D joints, when a piece is beveled at both ends, such that the two attached pieces do not lie in the same plane, a three-dimensional structure is obtained. In that case, it is also necessary to either rotate the piece along its longitudinal axis or to tilt the saw blade before beveling the second end. When employing the mitre joint to connect two pieces that have a non-circular cross-section, it is typically desirable to have the longitudinal edges of the joined pieces match up properly at the joint. It is always possible to close a planar structure constructed with pieces having non-circular cross-section into a loop through properly matched mitre joints. However, a three-dimensional loop from pieces with non-circular cross-section need not close properly when attempting to mitre it all the way round. In general, a twist occurs, causing the edges at the last joint to be misaligned. See also, Mason's mitre, mitre box, mitre clamp, mitre saw. References. External links: Mitre saw calculator, VHOF, Tom and Coos VHOF, PDF The Mathematics of Mitring and Its Artful Application, Bridges Leeuwarden, Mathematical Connections in Art, Music, and Science, Proceedings of the 11th Annual Bridges Conference, in the Netherlands, ppA 225 €234, July 2008.